I don't know if I can get close enough to get a good picture of this or not, but about 10 feet in front of my dump truck, we got a bird called a killdeer, and they lay eggs on the ground, and this gravel parking lot makes perfect camouflage. I'm going to see if I can zoom in and get a picture of her and the eggs. She must be sitting on them where I can't see them. There she goes. She got up and walked away. There's the egg right in the center. I think there's 2 there right now. And now she'll run around and act like she's crippled. She'll act like she's got a bad wing. She'll start that. We'll get her doing that in a minute. Try to get a close-up on these eggs. She's got 2 in there right now. If I can find them. There they are. They are hard to see. And now she is putting on her little show there. And I knew they had eggs around here because they were acting like that. They're kind of a pretty bird. They run real fast on their feet. Trying to attract my attention over to her. Get me away from those eggs. I just got to try to remember that about 10 feet in front of my truck. Now when I need the truck, I'll have to put something there, a marker, so I don't run over them.